I am not often compelled by my experiences to write a review. Often I will just prepare one if I have time, but this time my personal extraordinary experience with Sengled tech support compelled me to write this. Yesterday, I installed this product but ran into problems which ended up being related to a combination of my home light dimmer and switch controls, size/construction of home, concrete floors/walls/ceiling, related to the theater. Mr. Lever Welch from Tech Support handled my call, reviewed my email, diagnosed and followed up with advice and followed up again to walk me through resetting the bulbs until I got the hang of it. Then he followed up about 30 minutes later to confirm that everything was working excellently. Finest tech support I have ever experienced, perhaps tied with Sonos. As far as the product goes, it is outstanding and exceeded my expectations, especially because I have been trying to get my neighbor's Philips Hue to work with Alexa and IFTTT. My Sengled once installed just simply worked the first time. Outstanding, and Mr. Welch, be sure to let your management know that because of you specifically, I will recommend this product to everyone looking for a nice multicolor LED bulb system. I am bringing a hub/light kit to my daughter this weekend. Well done! By having this Sengled smart bulb installed in the house, not only I get to adjust the lighting, don't need to install dimmer, ever, but also add strong elements to complete my smart home system. Great companion. I've cross-referenced on Bluetooth speaker light bulb in between brands, Philips Hue/Light Story/Light ME-E27, turned out Sengled offers more with reasonable price point. Pro, easy to install, reasonable price, app controllable. Now is Sengled Home as the app to consolidate all devices, very energy-y. These are super cool bulbs, paired perfectly and natively with SmartThings. My kids love being able to set the color. I have one for our movie/play room for a non-distracting but usable light while watching movies, and also so they can put it into party mode, use some custom webcore code. The other is great for warning notifications, e.g. turn red when garage door is open, flashed red/blue when the alarm is going off, etc. They're a hair more than other connected bulbs, but worth it. TLDR, a great bulb to provide color lighting without adding yet another hub. Over the last few months I have been looking for a way to bring smart home color lighting into my household. I have a SmartThings hub, and I wanted to add any lighting that I brought into the house to that hub. Click link in description for more reviews.